Can't walk out there now because it's bloody soaking wet.
Oh! Oh, you funny dogs! I cracked myself! Oh, that was scary! I think this is the highlight of the week. Oh, my heart jumped out.
Oh, electric scooter. Another loud bang coming.
I reckon I can imagine it. It's right above us, I think. Isn't it?
Bloody loud. Getting flooded on the road.
Yeah, it is. Might be dry for tomorrow morning.
I'll do what?
Dry boy.
Oh, God, see how it's flat then?
Yeah, I saw that.
Some people just arriving.
What?
Some people just arriving. Not really. I don't want to turn out like this because the other one go home again.
Yeah. Well, that rain's pelting down.
Someone's down that puddle, that's for sure.
Is it on the balcony? Is it from
Yeah,
there?
I think so. It's on the balcony. And it's standing out and the lightning comes and hits the balcony, you'd be dead.
Oh, I'm indoors. I'm indoors, but
They haven't got shirts on, look.
huh?
They don't even got shirts on.
Oh, you gotta be freezing.
You know, idiot.
They're celebrating though, aren't they?
Good English to me. They're just showing off, aren't they?